Power on and wait for the temperature to rise when we turn it on. Wait for the temperature to rise. Unlock. Click Process. Choose the material thickness. For example, 2.0 mm thickness stainless steel. Choose the number 3. Choose process number 3 and see the suggestion wire feeding speed. Here is 14 mm per second. Choose Import. Machine already adjusted data well. Click Setting, turn on wobble. Torch head gave out a red line. Turn on laser. Click Gas Manual to test the gas pressure. Machine are adjusting gas pressure. Install wire feeding tool. Wire is in the model of the red line. Work cable clamp the steel. Touch the steel and weld at the 45-degree angle.
白颜色的，功率高、功率低、功率低、功率高，两种颜色。好了。我觉得颜色。